Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic ZW3D, how to draw arch. You can go to sketch and I will choose a top plan, click OK. Now to draw arch, you can click at this arch icon and there are four options to draw arch. First, you can set by using throat. So you need to set for the first point, second point, and then you can set for the stroke length, like I will click in here to apply. The second, we can use by radius, like for the first point and the second point. The next, you can set for the radius. I will set like into 52 and you can press enter like this. I will create again with this option by center point. I will click in here for the center and then I will start from this point to here. And the fourth, we can draw arch by angle. So you can draw for the center point first. I will click in here, center point. And then you can set for the radius. I will set into 50. For angles, you can set into 45 degree. This is for 45. And then for arch angles, you can set like 105. So this is for the arch length. Click OK to apply. So that's it for a basic ZW3D, how to draw arch. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.